Hey, hello guys. I just helped a recruiter go from manually sending LinkedIn messages per day to getting 50 qualified leads every week on complete autopilot. And the crazy part, she's spending less time on LinkedIn now than she did before. If you are tired of spending hours crafting personalized messages and posting content that gets zero engagement, then this video is exactly what you need. I'm about to show you 3 LinkedIn automation hacks that most people don't know exist, and they are going to change how you think about lead generation on LinkedIn. What if I told you that most people are doing LinkedIn lead generation completely backwards? They spend hours writing individual messages, posting random content, and hoping something sticks on the wall. But here is the thing that blows my mind. They are treating LinkedIn like separate activities instead of one single connected system. The real problem is that people focus on individual tactics. They learn one hack for finding leads, another for messaging, and maybe they post content here and there, but they never connect these pieces together. It's just like driving a car by only focusing on the steering wheel and ignoring the engine and transmission. Here is what most people, LinkedIn users, don't understand. 90% of them are just missing the connection between lead identification, personalized messaging at scale, and messaging your existing list where it is already gold. But you need to know how to fetch the gold. That's what I'm going to teach you in this video. So stay till the end. The third one is very amazing, that will help you gain a lot of opportunities on without spending anything. So let me break down the first component for you now, that is smart LinkedIn identification using Boolean search techniques. So most people just type in job titles and hope for the best, but Boolean search let you find exactly the right people with surgical precision. You can search for people who work at companies with specific revenue ranges, who posted about certain topics in the last 30 days or just changed their job recently. For example, if I show you one personality over here in finance, let's take an example of insurance. She is a figure in finance industry, and people those who are already following her are interested in knowing about finance, and they are interested about for their securing their future for their family and for themselves, and they are financially literate people. Not all the people are financially literate and they want to do something about it for their future as well. So here comes, I'll just copy her name, and if you are an insurance agent or a broker, this is gold for you. Especially if I search an entrepreneur, why entrepreneur? Because they already have the money with them. So if I select the people over here and I filter out in United States, and this is the some single thing that you can do for your particular niche or industry as well. I just copied her name. She is the creator, and I get all the followers, especially in that particular following. Not all audience is your audience. Your audience in LinkedIn, there are millions, but here are the targeted list of 1,000 people who are really interested, and you can filter this into your particular cities as well. And that's what I'm going to do using this same tool. I have just created a campaign, a simple single campaign, and this is the first page in this tool. Similar to what I have searched, I'll just search the entrepreneur again over here and type in the keyword. I just have the United States as the location over here as well, and I'll just put in the follower of that particular Suze or man. So the tool is fetching her name. Here is it. So all the people, let's see how many people we have over here. So there are 7,000 people. That's enough number of leads for you for more than 2 to 3 years. I'll tell you, if you have just this number, you will be gaining. These are all the gold mine people for you. Gold mine people. This is the first hack that I'm going to show you. So the second component which I am about to break to you is AI personalized messaging. But here is where most people mess up. They use AI to write generic messages that sound robotic. The smart way is to feed the AI specific information about each prospect. But how do you do that? You can't just take every profile and sit hours crafting each individual messages for everyone. So here is what the thing it does using AI. I'll just show you in a second. These are all the targets. So this is the particular tool. You can use any other tool as well, but what I recommend, and there is a link in the description for the 30-day free trial for you to explore this particular tool, and it's really amazingly working for me and my clients. So if I add a connection node over here, so if I just create a new template just so that you understand the complete gist and gist of what I'm about to say you, this is the template AI connection message. The video is long, but I'll bet you it'll help you for long game. So I'll just write an warm connection message less than 120 characters. I just had this written now. So here is the important thing, and I just save it. You can even there are very advanced targeting. The moreover, like there is a free onboarding session as well, particularly for once you click the link from my description. So inspired by your work in bilingual education, would you love connection and share some insights? So creative approach to business. I don't know whether she is creative or how is it. This particular information is fetched from the AI and it's been working, and I'll show you, like, I have got tons and tons of results from this. For example, in this particular profile, if I make it all time, the invitation requests that I have sent is 2000, and more than 35% of the acceptance connection acceptance rate I have got. It is live in front of you. I'm not joking. And the messages that are being sent is 548, and the reply rate that I have got over here is this much, more than 10% of the messages that are being sent from this particular tool. So a lot of things are there. So another thing that I want to tell you is that the third hack, which is the gold mine hack, where is messaging your existing list with an irresistible offer. This is where most people leave money on the table. You have got connections sitting in your network who already know you, but you never reach out to them with valuable opportunities. The key is creating offers that solve immediate problems. Now let's hop on a call or like something that doesn't work actually. You need to be very specific. For example, I just helped 3 companies in your industry reduce their customer acquisition cost by 40% using a new approach. Want me to show you the breakdown? You can send them a PDF or something like that. Or if you're insurance broker, let's say you need to share them like 5 mistakes that are costing you and your family tons and thousands of dollars, and you can pitch in over your service or something there in that particular context. So this is the third thing that I have shared with you, and it's the most wonderful. And how do you do that? Basically, I just told you the thing, but you need to have a custom list for yourself. You can do that using the inbound campaign over here. The members who are already in a list of your particular audience or network, you can do the LinkedIn search from over here. Those people are already in your list and they are looking for you to pitch some opportunity for them, and they are ready to jump. I'm sure like most of my clients are from the list that I already have. You just can't be like just hop on a call or something like that. These provide more value to them. The more value you provide, the more conversions that you can accept and the more rejections you'll face. So that's the game that you need to play with. So next, if I come here with you, the secret isn't any single tool or hack. It's how you connect in them into one smooth workflow. People try to automate everything separately, but the real power comes from integration. Your Boolean searches inform your AI message, and your messages results help you refine your targeting. Your existing network gives you social proof for the prospects, new prospects, and also like this is the thing. These are the 3 hacks, and I have put a link as well in the description for the tool that you can try as well. It's been really good, and there's an additional discount as well that I had for you guys and my audience. So the conclusion, if I want to conclude, is Biggest mistake I see people make with LinkedIn automation, they try to set up everything at once. The Boolean searches, the AI message, the follow up messages. They want it all perfectly working from the day one. But that's exactly how you overwhelm yourself and quit after 2 weeks. And I don't want for you that to happen. So start with just one component and get it working smoothly before you add the next piece. If you want to see exactly how to do this, I have put together a complete video as well that I'll be linking, and making some tutorials in the future. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the other end in the future videos. Bye bye, take care.